Marami pong mga Kristiyano sa panahon natin ngayon na naniniwala na okay lang na hindi magsimba sapagkat sila naman ay nananalangin sa Panginoon araw-araw. Pakinggan po natin ang isang preaching ng isang pastor at nawa ito po ay magbigay sa atin ng encouragement at magpapaliwanag kung gaano po kaimportante ang pagdalo sa pananambahan.
You are to go to church. Why? Why church attendance? You say, well, Pastor Rogers, I don't have to go to church to be a Christian. That's right. You can be saved anywhere. But if you love Jesus, you're going to love what Jesus loves, and he loves the church. The church is not this building. It is the people gathered together. And when you're here this morning, do you know what you're saying, those of you who are in this building this morning? You are saying two things. You may be saying something else, but I'll tell you there are two things that you are saying by being here, living in the light of the soon coming of Jesus Christ. There are two things that you say when you're in that seat this morning. Number one, you're saying God is important to me. Number two, you're saying you other people are important to me.
Nawa ito po naging blessing sa ating lahat at nawa ito po nagbigay sa atin ng encouragement na tayo po bilang mga Kristiyano na niligtas ng Panginoon sa apoy ng impyerno ay magpatuloy sa pananambahan at maging matapat sa gawain ng Panginoon. Maraming salamat and to God be the glory.